So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on CoinMaster. So the first answer is that you can absolutely change your name in CoinMaster. If you have any doubt to it, you are able to change your name and picture if you link your CoinMaster account to your Facebook one. To change your name and picture, simply update your details on Facebook and the changes will be reflected on your CoinMaster account. For example, as you can see, CoinMaster is usually linked to your Facebook account. So if you have linked your Facebook account with CoinMaster, then all the informations like name and profile picture will be synced with one another. So the simple answer is that if you change your Facebook picture, then the CoinMaster's profile picture will be changed too. So this is how you can change your name or picture on CoinMaster. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to check the link in the description box and like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and let me know in the comment section that what type of video you want to see in next. Goodbye.